People are talking about Samsung releasing the Galaxy S24 earlier than usual. It seems this is true. A report from South Korea says that Samsung will launch their new top-level phone series in January 2024. They're doing this because their chip-making business hasn't been doing well, and they hope to make up for it by selling more phones. A report from SBS Biz says Samsung is going to release the Galaxy S24 on January 17, 2024 in San Francisco, USA. They've already planned the launch event and are getting everything ready. Also, the Galaxy S23 Fan Edition will be in South Korea on December 1, 2023, costing around $600. Samsung is offering this more affordable option because of the tough economy and slow market in South Korea, even though people there usually prefer high-end phones. It's been 3 years since they launched a Fan Edition of the Galaxy S series phone in South Korea. The report says Samsung is hoping the Galaxy S24 series will help them during a tough time. They described the Galaxy S24 as an A phone, like ChatGPT and DALL-E. Samsung made their own Exynos 2400 processor that's faster for graphics and added tasks. It can do AI stuff without the internet, like turning words into pictures. The Galaxy S24 Ultra might have a tough titanium frame like the new iPhone 15 Pro series. All these phones are expected to have really bright and high-quality screens. Normally, Samsung brings out their new Galaxy S series phones in late February and starts sending them to customers in early March. But this time, they released the Galaxy S23 in early February and began shipping it before February ended. Now, the Galaxy S24 series are launching the phones even earlier, in mid-January 2024, and there's a chance they might start sending the phones to customers by the end of that same month. That's it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos. Thanks and see you next time. Peace out.